Hello friends, welcome to my channel UGC Revision Notes. I will continue the next part of the language and graphics. Okay, that unit we have already covered 3 problems. Now we'll cover the rest of problems. Here question number 58. So here again a C code. Here that is given a function CAL AB. If B not equal to 1, then if A not equal to 1, again you have a loop and you print star. Then you have to cal of A by 2 comma B, else b equal to b minus 1 cal of 10 comma b. So if they asking the question is how many times star is going to be printed. Function is 10 and 10 is called. So you will calling this function with 10 and 10. Let us see the answer. So the beginning the function is called with 10 comma 10. So a is 10 and b is 10. Now b not equal to 1, so it will go inside this loop. Now a not equal to 1, so it go inside this loop. Then you print star. So here when you have 10 comma 10, you print a star, and then what happens? Then cal of a by 2 comma b. So a by 2 means what? 10 by 2. So 10 by 2 is what? 5. So 5 comma 10. So 5 comma 10 is called. When 5 comma 10 is called, what happens? Again goes inside the loop. It goes here. It doesn't go satisfy this condition. It goes to this condition. It goes here, and again you have a by 2. You print star, and then you have a by 2. That is 5 by 2. It becomes 2.5 comma 10. Okay, so again a star is printed, and this one next. Then 2.5 comma 10, this function will be called. Then here again you have print star, then again it decrements, that is divided by 2. That means 2.5 by 2 is 1.25. So here 1.25 comes and comma 10. So when cal of 1.25 means, that is the value of a is what? Here it becomes 1.25. so when you go inside this one, a becomes equal to 1. So it in here star won't be printed. Up till 2.5 the value will be printed. After 1 it won't be printed. So where will go? It will go to the else part. Here we have the else part, right? So in the else part, what happens? Here b will be incremented by 1. That is we have 10 now, right? For b 10 10 10. Here b will be decremented by 1. So it becomes 9. B becomes 9. So goes to the else part. It becomes b becomes 9, and then what happens? Cal of 10 comma 9. So a value is again put as 10, and then b value alone is decremented by 1. That is it becomes 9. So here it is repeated. So again you have cal of 10 comma 9. So when you go to this function cal of 10 comma 9, so again you go here, instead of 10 comma, instead of b 10 you have 9. So again you go here, you will go to this loop, this if condition. Here again you print, because a is now not equal to 1, so you print star. Then what will value be? 10 comma 9. Again star will be printed, and then we have cal of this decremented by, that is it is divided by 2. So 10 by 2, that is 5. So cal of 5 comma 9. So cal of 5 comma 9, again we have a star, we print a star. Then cal of 2.5 comma 9, 2.5, again you print a star, and then it becomes cal of 1.25 comma 9. So here when it becomes 1, what happens? It goes to the else loop. So again b is incremented by 1, and then you have what? You have cal of 10 comma 8. That is b value is 8 now. So this is what is repeating. So you see here, in every case, that is when you call 10 comma 10, and then it gets to 5 comma 10, then 2.5 comma 10, each time a star is printed. So and then next b value is decremented. So again 3 times it is printed. So this goes on until what condition? Here the condition is given as until b is until b is until b is not equal to 1. So when b becomes 1 means you will exit out of the loop. So until b is 1, this continues. So here you see, this will continue until b, that is b is this value. So b value till 2, here the star will be printed. When becomes 1, it goes out of the loop. Hence you see it will be printed how many times? For each and every value, that is 10 10, it prints 3 times, and b is incremented. For 10 and 9, that is the b value 9, 3 times it's printed. Then for b value 8, 7 6 5 4, 3, 2. So how many times it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. So 9 times this function is called and the star is printed. So how many times the total number of stars is printed? It is 9 into 3, that is 27. Hence the answer is option number 4, that is 27. So the answer for this problem is answer number option number 4, that is 27. Now the next problem, that is problem number 68, that is you are given a function that is f1 and f2. See, given a function f1 and it's having a character pointer, and here again we are swapping, we are taking another one temporary value and you are swapping the values. Again for f2 you have two pointers, a pointer of pointer. Char star star x means it's a pointer to a pointer, so char star star x and char star star y. So again here also you are swapping the function, you're going to swap but with this pointer. So in main what they given, the char star is given as it is a character pointer, so it points to the first one. So char star A is 1, char star B is 2. So first you print f1 of a b. So we print a and b. Here you give the exact value here, you don't give the address, you give the exact value here. So when you have the exact value, it goes into this function and then what will be printed? So whether it will be swapped or not, 1, 2. So a value is 1, b value is 2. Whether it will be swapped, what will be the value of a and b? The value of a and b will be what? And then second f2, here you pass with this address. So you pass the address because here in f2 you pass a address to the pointer. So again here also you swap. So whatever output you got in this one, it will be swapped. What will be the output of this program? Dear friends, please write in the comment section what will be the answer to this problem. Now let us see the next problem, question number 69. So question number 69, you have a C program. Here you have main and then you have int x, the array, and then you have a b equal to 0, star y equal to x plus 4. And then you have a function for loop, and then here b equal to b plus star y minus a and minus of star of y minus a. And then printing the value of b. So friends, see here, you need to understand what will be value of star y. So what will be the star y? So it will be x plus 4 is given as x plus 4. So x plus value is 0 means 0 plus 4, that is 4. So value of 4. So what is the 4 means? What is the address? So what is the value in the address 4? The value in the address 4 is 10. So star y means it is 10 only. Now if we see the first iteration, so it is a for loop, right? Here they given a for loop with a equal to 0, a less than 5 and a plus plus. And then inside the loop they given the value of a is b, that is b is incremented. B will be the previous b value plus star y minus a. So you need to understand what is star y minus a and star of y minus a. So there's a difference. So what is star y? Star y means whatever follows the star. So star means value only, it is a value. So star of y means the address. So y is the address. So what is the value of y actually? What is the address? First is pointing to the fourth position. Okay, so star y, as I told, we found that its value is here. We found that star y, the value will be always 10. It will be always pointing to this position only. Star y will be 10 only. Okay, now here the first iteration a becomes 0. Okay, when a is 0, then what is the value of b? So b equal to b plus the given star y minus a minus star of y minus a. Now a, you know, the value is 0, so we can substitute this value. And star y, you know, it is 10 only because it's pointing to the fourth position only. Y is pointing to fourth position only, so star y is 10. So 10 minus 0 minus star of y minus a. Now when you have this value, that is star of y minus a. So y minus a, you take it as address. So what is the value? First, y is pointing to 4, so it will be 4 minus a. What is a? A is 0, so 4 minus 0. So here you are given the value of, that is address is 4. 4 minus 0, within the bracket you have to choose the address, you have to take the address. So 4 minus 0, 4 minus 0 is 4. So the value, that is the value of the fourth address. What is the value of the fourth address? Fourth address value is 10 only. So the value will be b0 plus star y minus a, that is 10 minus 0, that is 10, minus star of 4 minus 0, that is star of 4, that is 10 only. So here also the value will be 10 only. So 0 plus 10 minus 10, though, so the value will be 0. Similarly, I have to do with the second iteration. So a second iteration, a will be 1, then b becomes b plus 0. So previous value of b is 0 only. So 0 plus star y. Star y I told no, it will be the same value only, 10 minus 1. Now a value is 1 minus star of y minus a. So y value is 4 only. It's always pointing to 4 portion. Address is 4 only. So 4 minus 1. Just because your value of y does not change, only the value of a is changing. So you just substitute this value, 4 minus 1, that is 3. So the address becomes 3. What is the third address? Here, what is the third address? So third address is, so first it was pointing to 4. Now the third address is what? This address. So it is 8. So only here the value will be 8. So 9 minus this value, that is 9 minus 8. So it becomes 1. So b values becomes 1. Similarly, in the third iteration, fourth iteration, fifth iteration, you have to just substitute the value of 2, and then you have to increment b equal to b plus 10 minus 2 minus star of 4 minus 2. Again comes 4 minus 2, the value will be 2. So the second position, the value will be 6. And then for third iteration, the value will be 4. And for fifth iteration, value will be 4 minus 4, that is value will be 0, that is first value element, that is 2. So it will be, and then b will be incremented. So b plus this value, so b plus 6 plus 6 minus 2, which is 12 minus 2, it is 10. So the answer is 10. Output will be 10 because value is b is already printed. So value, hence the correct option will be option number 4, 10. Okay, that's the answer to this problem. Now let us see the next problem in the next video. Thank you. Next question number 70. Question only. Which of the following is the correct way to declare a functional pointer in C? So they given 4 options. See, when a functional pointer, so int is return type, and then we have a function func, and then there are 2 parameters, int and int. So int and int is same in all the problem, and then return is int star. So it is a functional pointer, so star function. But whether you have to put bracket or here, this is wrong because it won't come after the function. So normally pointer will come before only. So this is correct, this is correct, this is also wrong. These both are wrong. So within this and this, so because it's a functional pointer, here you have to write it in bracket. So int star fun, so bracket. So here this is will be the correct answer. So the answer to this problem will be, that is the second option, that is int star function within bracket of int is the correct way to declare a functional pointer. So friends, in this video we have covered 2 problems. We cover the next problems in the next video. I hope this was useful to you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Raji CS Revision and Notes, so that it will be motivation for me to give more useful videos like these. Thank you.